Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To add a new account, tap the plus icon at the top right. You can add Microsoft account, Google, Facebook, or any other account that supports two-factor authentication. For the prompts to scan the QR code or enter the certificate. To remove or edit an account, tap the account you want to manage. You will see options like edit account, name, or remove account. Removing an account disconnects it from the app safely. So make sure you have another authentication method ready. You can also back up your account so you don't lose access. If you get a new iPhone, go to settings, then backup and enable cloud backup. It saves your account securely and makes recovery easy. In settings, you can manage notifications and app security. Turn on push notifications for easy approval of logins. You can also enable app lock, ID or passcode for extra protection. And that's it. Managing Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone is easy. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.